Hi everyone, this is Ruthie of Ruthie Case. Excuse my froggy voice. Allergies to smoke have gotten to me and not recovered totally yet. So I sound a little like a frog. Good thing I like frogs, right? I just thought I'd share with you a really cool project that any of you can do. So this is a DIY from Ruthie Case. The dress I'm wearing is made from this way cool fabric that you can get at your fabric store, and it is this stretchy is already in it, and you can make all different kinds of clothes with it. I am currently making another dress right here that's gonna have just little sun straps on it. This one I used the scrap piece from the bottom because it's really long, so it makes a long dress if you want, and the extra shearing here, that's what that's called, and added it as sleeves here to this dress. And in the back, I can't get to the mirror there because my phone has to be plugged in, so sorry. We'll show you a picture in a reel, so look for that later, of both dresses. And it's just really easy. You buy the amount to go around and a little extra if you want the sleeves, like this. And then you just sew up the one seam, and you can put it in the center back. You can put it under the arm. I like it under the arm so the seam doesn't show as much. And then you add your straps to it and hem it, and voila, you have a dress. So that's what I'm doing right now, is sewing up the side seam here. I happen on this one to be using a enclosed seam, so you sew it on the right side and then you sew it again on the inside so that your seam is totally enclosed. You can hardly see it there, see? So what a cool project, right? And there's tons of these out there, and we used to have this fabric all the time when I was young, 100 years ago it feels like, and we made it into summer dresses and tops and everything because it was just super comfy. And for summer it's awesome, but when you add the sleeves we can wear it at other times a year, so it makes it pretty cool. So I just thought I would share that with you. So this is Ruthie of Ruthie Case sharing a fun DIY. You can get this fabric at Joann's or probably other fabric stores that are near you. Otherwise, order it online. I got this green in this cute check. This is a floral print, and there are many, many others out there. But it's just a fun, easy thing to make. And here in Washington State, on the coast, we've had some really hot weather for us. So it's nice to have a few fun dresses that I can wear with the summer here. Sorry, I just noticed I had a piece of hair sticking up there. Crazy things. But yeah, so here in my new studio, give you just a little peek there, off of South M Street in Tacoma. Loving it. I have the most beautiful skylight up there. It gives me great lighting, and I'm working on this fun DIY project to just do something a little different as my mind changes from project to project. Have a great day. This is Ruthie of Ruthie Case.